In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DeepSearch in Grok AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open Grok, get into the chat, and craft a prompt that triggers DeepSearch to deliver detailed answers with credible sources. Start by opening your web browser and heading to grok.com. Give the page a moment to load so everything initializes properly. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the main Grok interface ready for you to start a conversation. Next, click on Chat. This is the central workspace where you interact with Grok. The chat window is designed to be straightforward. A conversation history pane on one side and a message box at the bottom where you'll type your prompt. In the message box, type exactly, use DeepSearch, explain the latest iPhone features in detail with sources. That use DeepSearch prefix is the key. It tells Grok to shift into a more rigorous research mode, pull from current, authoritative information, and return citations. Keep the prefix as written at the start of your request. After that, you can replace the topic with whatever you need, product comparisons, technical explanations, or market overviews, while keeping the instruction to include sources when appropriate. Press enter or click submit to send your request. DeepSearch may take a little longer than a typical quick answer because it's reviewing multiple high-quality references before responding. That extra time usually pays off in clarity and reliability. When the results appear, look for a structured explanation followed by source links or citations. Scan the answer for a clear summary first, then dig into specifics that matter to you. If you see links, open them in new tabs to verify details or gather quotes. This is especially helpful when you're preparing a report or need to fact-check claims. If the answer isn't precise enough, refine your request right in the same chat. Add context like a time frame, a region, or the exact features you care about. You can also ask for a bulleted comparison, a pros and cons view, or a short summary of the source's consensus. Keeping the conversation in one thread helps Grok maintain context and respond more accurately. A quick tip: avoid adding private or sensitive information to your prompts. DeepSearch is for research, so stick to public topics and questions you'd be comfortable seeing cited online. That's all there is to it. Go to grok.com, open chat, type use DeepSearch, followed by your request, and submit. With that simple pattern, you'll consistently get deeper answers, clearer explanations, and trustworthy sources you can check and share.